Introducing the all-new Honda CR-V, an exhilarating balance of rugged sophistication and modern design. Your journey starts here, with a sporty exterior boasting a confident, powerful look that's ready to take on the road ahead. Make a statement with the bold look of the available 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels. The available hands-free access power tailgate makes it even easier to get items in and out of the spacious cargo area. With so much out there to discover, the all-new CR-V is designed to excite your sense of adventure. The thoughtfully crafted interior of the all-new Honda CR-V is designed with style, comfort, and versatility in mind. In the CR-V, every feature adds to the experience. Enjoy the sounds of the available 12-speaker Bose premium sound system from any seat in the cabin. When your adventure requires additional space, the versatile cargo area offers plenty of room. Every drive deserves more. Find it in the all-new Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V seamlessly blends style and innovation. Take to the road with either a 1.5-liter turbo or a 2-liter hybrid powertrain, delivering more responsive acceleration and impressive efficiency. With available real-time all-wheel drive and multiple drive modes, you can feel confident that the CR-V will perform at its best no matter where the road leads you. And getting to your destination is easier with the available 9-inch touchscreen and navigation system. The available wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility help you stay connected to what's important, while the available wireless phone charger ensures you'll stay fully charged. Technology and performance go hand in hand. You'll find it with the multi-angle rear-view camera, Honda Sensing Suite of safety and driver-assistive features, and blind spot information system. Discover more ways the all-new Honda CR-V creates a more compelling drive.